PayPal, one of the largest financial institutions in the world, is formally joining the cryptocurrency industry. Additionally, they have made some extremely positive remarks about SHIB holders. The year's greatest news story is this one. You should watch this if you own any SHIB tokens or have any interest in Shiba Inus. What recent news is there about Shiba Inu coins? And how will all of this impact the Shiba Inu's worth? I'll be responding to these queries and providing you with all of the recently released price-boosting Shiba Inu facts in today's video. Since I spent a lot of time researching for this video, please make sure to watch through to the very end to avoid missing anything. Welcome to Dr. Crypto, your daily serving of Shiba. This is the spot for you if you're curious about anything related to Shiba. If you want to keep informed about all the latest news forecasts and stay ahead of the curve in the crypto industry, subscribe. To get more SHIB news, be sure to click the like button. But before we get into our subject, let's examine the chart and see what the Shiba price is doing on November 16th. The cost of a Shiba Inu is now around 848 units, with $212 million in trading activity over the course of the previous day. The price of Shib has decreased by 4%. The token is now the 20th most valuable cryptocurrency with a market worth of more than $4.9 billion. Please remember that by the time you see this video, some rates may have changed. This is not investment advice. Let's start the video for today now. Shibarium fusion of Shiba Inus ushers in a new age for sheep farmers. The principal creator of the well-known cryptocurrency project Shiba Inu, Satoshi Kusama, of pseudonym, has revealed important details on the integration of Shibarium. The world's first Shiba to own a Shiba Inu is a Shiba Inu blockchain with centralized exchanges for News Layer 2. Shibarium is about to grow. Talks for exchange integration are moving forward. In answer to a question from a member of the community in Shibarium's Telegram channel, Kusama said that the team is actively seeking out new collaborators and assisting with the integration of Shibarium onto centralized exchange systems. This development points to a calculated effort on the part of Shiba to increase the use and accessibility of Shibarium in the cryptocurrency ecosystem. Community's fervent reaction. Positive responses to Kusama's disclosure have been seen in the Shiba Inu community, with members expressing their joy on social media with a variety of emoticons. This answer demonstrates how the community has been anticipating Shibarium's growth and how it would affect the uptake and use of the network. Shibarium overcomes early obstacles to achieve an excellent performance and an adoption milestone. After months of intensive development, Shibarium launched in mid-August. Almost immediately, the team resolved a technical issue. The network has shown strong performance and remained error-free since its August 28 debut. Figures and accomplishments. According to Shibarium's scan data, around 4 million transactions have been made. With more than 1.26 million addresses and more than 1.61 million blocks generated overall, the network is impressive. These astounding figures highlight Shibarium's potential as a blockchain network with excellent performance. Shibarium is growing and is currently integrating with popular wallets and exchanges. Remarkably, the Turkish cryptocurrency exchange Bitcoin Tree has already integrated with Shibarium, allowing for network-wide deposits and withdrawals. Furthermore, GroveX, an Australian cryptocurrency exchange, revealed intentions for integration. Apart from exchanges, significant cryptocurrency initiatives have also drawn interest in Shibarium, such as its integration with the non-custodial decentralized wallet known as Atomic Wallet. Prospects for the future. A bright future for the network is suggested by the continuing talks about Shibarium's integration with centralized exchanges and the increasing attention from other crypto initiatives and platforms. If Shibarium's growth and uptake are successful, Shiba Inu's standing in the digital asset market might be greatly improved, providing a more adaptable and user-friendly platform for consumers everywhere. Shibarium's potential to revolutionize the cryptocurrency space and promote wider blockchain usage is becoming more and more clear as it develops. We would much appreciate it if you could press the like button if you're still watching. It is completely free and really helps with channel support. However, stay tuned for the most recent Shiba Inu news and developments about the Shiba Inu currency. Shiba Inu preparing for a 12% increase in price. Shiba Inu is exhibiting indications of a bullish breakthrough, which can cause a 12% increase in price. Shiba Inu daily chart, that is a classic sign of bullish momentum, has seen a sequence of higher highs and lower lows, which reinforces the daily chart's ongoing uptrend. Shiba may be about to hit a new high based on the pattern that the recent price movements have established, which indicates that further growth is ahead. Shiba is now in a strong uptrend, according to technical analysis, with its price trading above both the 50-day and 100-day moving averages, which serve as dynamic support levels. This alignment usually means that there is a lot of bullish activity in the market, supporting the existing price and acting as a springboard for further gains. There is stability in the relative strength index. Nor oversold nor overbought. The RSI's steadiness indicates that SHIB may continue to expand without facing an imminent threat from a significant sell-off brought on by overvaluation. The volume profile indicates that trading activity has increased noticeably during the upswings, suggesting possible accumulation periods and rising investor interest. Since volume often moves ahead of price, the increased buying pressure can be a hint of a big price rise. Additionally, news stories that support investor sentiment on Shiba in recent times have created a stir in the cryptocurrency world. Numerous encouraging developments, including as the token's rising burn rate, which reduces supply, its expanding ecosystem, and the potential of Shibarium, or Shibs on blockchain, are all adding to the excitement. A 12% rise from its present position is feasible if Shib continues on its current track and the market stays favorable. Though the indicators are encouraging, it is important to keep in mind that meme assets are renowned for their volatility, so proceed with care when dealing with them. But stay tuned as we uncover more information about the Shiba Inu coin and how it might impact the project's worth both now and down the road. It's time for the video's primary plot now. How does PayPal handle Shiba Inus? PayPal was once mostly opposed to the cryptocurrency space, but it seems that they have now changed their minds. PayPal has shifted its strategy and begun to embrace cryptocurrencies. What the senior vice president of PayPal has to say about cryptocurrencies and PayPal is below. Yes, Kelly, as you can see, we are a payments firm, and we are intrigued by digital currencies because we think they have the power to completely change the payment landscape. When examining the technological limitations related to transaction costs, settlement times, and token programmability, it becomes evident that some tasks are impossible to do using transaction-based means. Extra rates of payment. Furthermore, we want to get involved because it is something that is strategically important to us. Furthermore, we believe that the revolution will not occur suddenly. There are now around 120 billion stablecoins in circulation if you look at their volume. Web3 use cases and cryptocurrency ecosystems are mostly used by them. We also believe that this will remain the case for a while with some verticals that are specialist to crises, such as video games or remittances. For us, it is just strategic. The primitives appeal to us. We appreciate that with payments, you can now achieve things that were before impossible. Of course, it's a strategically important technology for us. Interestingly, he also had a lot to say about the cryptocurrency gaming market, which Shiba Inu is a part of because of the Shiba Eternity game. This is what he said. I have a keen interest in the video game business for financial gain. Video games are often seen to as being exclusive to a certain demographic in the jungle by outside observers. In actuality, the demography of video games closely resembles that of the whole population. It is a very big industry with extremely strict and demanding computer needs. Millions of concurrent users on immediate render environments is a very extremely challenging computational challenge if you think about hard technological problems to tackle. Additionally, a lot of computer breakthroughs originate from video games. Additionally, I believe that video games will lead the way in a lot of payment innovation. Streaming payments come to mind as examples of payment use cases that are now unfeasible, but that stablecoins might allow. Thus, when you view a video clip, are you meant to pay for the whole thing by paying by the minute or by the second? Or is it possible to purchase digital things inside a game and carry them with you afterwards? In my opinion, this has resulted in a very fascinating experiment whereby AI agents inside a game that can be connected to a wallet and carry a value are used as NPCs alongside player-controlled characters. Subsequently, the self-governing entity inside a game has the ability to purchase and sell items within the game. When attempting to determine the use cases on a whiteboard, they are the kinds of things that you just cannot consider. All you have to do is release a platform product, and programmers will build upon it. Finally, he touches on the significance of stablecoins for the sector. Given that the Shib team is now developing a stablecoin for the ecosystem, this is very intriguing. What he said regarding cryptocurrency stablecoins, nevertheless, is as follows. Stablecoins, in our opinion, are now the greatest use case for blockchain technology. We are a payments firm, of course. We are very interested in technologies that have the potential to change the payment landscape, and we cannot ignore stablecoins' inherent benefits in terms of cost, programmability, and settlement time. We see that the regulation is progressing, that there is demand for more tokens in this market, and that there is institutional interest. And maybe now, with those particular circumstances, is the ideal moment. However, how is any of this related to Shiba Inus? Since PayPal is deeply invested in the cryptocurrency space, more people will be drawn to it, raising the market's value. However, Shiba Inu's Shibarium now allows projects to accept PayPal donations. Shibarium established decentralized trade. You may now use PayPal and a bank card to buy and sell BONE on Shibarium using SWap. An on-off-ramp function has been introduced by SWap, a Shibarium-based decentralized exchange and DeFi platform, to allow investors to buy Shiba Inu ecosystem token BONE using a bank card and PayPal. According to the Team Ion SWap CEOs, the SWap team revealed the discovery in a recent post on X, showed out this new feature in a live broadcast on the community Telegram group for the project. During the show, he used his bank card to successfully buy BONE tokens on the Shibarium network. He then sold the tokens back to fiat and had them sent to his PayPal account. These trades were all completed using SWap. Interestingly, the SWap team had previously said that they plan to include this function as the first on-ramp protocols specifically designed for the Shibarium network. They said that there would be no need for laborious KYC requirements, and that the process would be smooth. To put things in perspective, an off-ramp protocol enables people to sell their assets for fiat, while an on-ramp feature assists market players in acquiring crypto assets using fiat. For the developing Layer 2 protocol, the addition of an on-off-ramp service for Shibarium is a crucial step. Leading developer Satoshi Kusama is among the prominent members of the Shiba Inu community who have shown interest in the novel feature. In response to the SWap team's announcement on X, Kusama expressed enthusiasm with a straightforward heart on fire emoji. Remarkably, a cursory glance at the SWap platform suggests that the PayPal payment option has already been added by the development team. To use the service, users must go to the official SWap website, input the price of the BONE in USD, and then follow the on-screen instructions. SWap's ongoing assistance. Earlier this year, SWap debuted as a Shibarium-based DEX that supported a variety of DeFi services, including as NFTs, gambling, staking, and token exchanges. The initiative burns 2% of SHIB with each transaction in order to maintain the Shiba Inu ecosystem. Since its inception, the project has consumed 4.5 billion SHIBs, according to a study published by CryptoBasic in August. In an interesting statement made last month, the team said that they had burned through the 7 billion Shiba Inus. Amintha continued to assist. When questioned about his thoughts on the platform in the Shibarium Telegram group, Kusama reaffirmed his faith in the SWap CEOs. He did, however, advise investors to always do appropriate due research. SWap is a well-known project on Shibarium, and its success will affect the network layer. Since it takes the worry out of having to buy the asset, Shibarium's gas token, BONE, may see an increase in demand thanks to its new on-off-ramp functionality. SWap, with a total value locked of $341,358, is the leading DEX on Shibarium. Because they believe in the Shiba Inu developers and the real world worth of SHIB, many of our subscribers write that they will not be selling SHIB for the next 5 years and will instead keep millions of them. What many of ones do you guys have? Remember to provide a list of your SHIB holdings in the following comments area. Let's give the SHIB Bureau credit for having faith in the procedure. If you find the video entertaining, please subscribe to the channel, give the video a large thumbs up, and share your thoughts on the Shiba Inu coin in the comments below. In order to get updates whenever we upload a new video, don't forget to enable post notifications.